Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by reproducing the blue screen reliably on the same comp and footage. Confirm the exact After Effects version and the Twixtor plugin build installed. Note GPU model and VRAM, for example 8 GB VRAM, and record current driver version. Check if the crash occurs only in preview, only in final renders, or both. Also document project settings like color depth and bit depth, for example 32-bit float. This initial diagnosis prevents guessing and speeds repair. First, update GPU drivers to the latest official release, for example CUDA 11, 8, or newer. Then switch After Effects render engine to Mercury software only to test if GPU acceleration triggers the blue screen. Purge all disk caches and the media cache database to remove corrupted cache files. Increase RAM allocation in preferences, allocating more than 8 GB where possible. Reduce project color depth to 32-bit float temporarily to test stability. Test rendering a short segment after each change to identify the cause. If troubleshooting fails, uninstall Twixtor and delete leftover plugin files from After Effects plugin folders. Reboot and install the latest Twixtor build that matches your After Effects version and operating system. As a workaround, pre-render complex Twixtor time warp segments to a lossless intermediate like ProRes 10-bit and import that file back. Also try switching Twixtor settings to optical flow fallback to reduce GPU load. If the problem persists, collect crash logs and contact Twixtor support with exact reproduction steps and system details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.